Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to buy Binance Gift Card. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in binance.com/gift-card and click on Enter. Now, you can see Merchants list at the top navigation bar. Click on it. From here, you can choose a gift card. Scroll down until you find what you want to buy. After that, click on the Buy and Sell Gift Card button. Now, click on Copy Link button and paste it on the another tab. From here, select the gift card you want to buy. Click on Add to Cart button. Click on your card and you will need to check out from here. Review the gift card details including the cryptocurrency type, amount and message. You will get an option to either download a redemption code or send the gift card directly to your email. The recipient will need to redeem the code by logging into your Binance account and enter the gift card. Double check that you have enough balance in your account before purchasing. Ensure that the recipient also has a Binance account to redeem the card. Once redeemed, the cryptocurrency will be added to the recipient's account. The gift card is an easy way to share crypto securely and directly. So that is how you can buy Binance Gift Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.